In this video, we show you how to apply primer for different substrates. Make sure to note the opening date on the bottle. Primers can be used on porous substrates, like wood. For this, pour a little amount of primer in a separate container. This prevents contamination of the primer in the can, and close the can immediately afterwards. The application on wood is mostly done by brush, ensuring a proper primer covering on the rough or structured surface. Before using black primers, shake. For primer application on non-porous substrates, different application tools can be used. Make sure to note the opening date on the bottle. Pour a little amount of primer in separate container and close the lid immediately afterwards. Recommended tools are wool felt applicators or a fine melamine foams for a defined uniform primer layer. Thank you for watching the video.